Assalamu alaikum. This is Tozammel Hoque, Instructor General, Rajshahi PTI. Today I am going to share a new lesson in English. This is my second video. In this video, you will be able to know about how should we learn English. Why is it important to learn English? This topic is also very, very important. Why? Why is it important to learn English? Why should we learn English? Okay. Now, listen and watch attentively. You will get many new informations from this video. I hope it. There are some regions I will notice here. There are various regions to learn English, but here I will notice some regions to learn English. The region number 1, first region is English. English is a global language, worldwide language. English is the most commonly spoken language in the world. You know it. 1 out of 5 people can speak or at least understand English. People do understand or do speak English as their second language in many countries. Now, region number 2, studying English can help you to get a job, good job, better job. English is the language of science, aviation, computers, diplomacy, film industry, or media and tourism. Knowing English increases your chances of getting a good job in a multinational company within your home country or of finding work abroad. The region number 3, learning English can help you meet new people. English is the official language of 53 countries, and is used as a lingua franca, that means a mutually known language by people from all around the world. This means that whether you are working in Beijing or traveling in Brazil or abroad, studying English can help you have a conversation with people from all over the world. Number 4, many scientific papers are written in English. In the last century, the number of scientific papers written in English has started to outweigh the number of papers written in the native language of the researcher. In the Netherlands, for example, the ratio is a surprising 40:1. For this reason, having a knowledge of English is incredibly important to those working in the scientific field. Number 5, English is the language of the media industry. There are many types of media industry. film industry, electronics, print media industry, various types of industry. Because of the prominence of Hollywood in global media, an enormous amount of films, TV shows, and popular songs are written in English. If you speak English, you won't need to rely on translations and subtitles anymore to enjoy your favorite books, songs, films, and TV shows. Number 6 reason number. English is the language of the internet. We all use internet in this day. So, it's very important to know English. English is a particularly important language online with more than half of the content on the internet written in English. As well as this, some of the world's largest tech companies are based in English-speaking countries. Reason number 7, traveling. Traveling is a lot easier with a good knowledge of English. We all like to travel in our home country or abroad. If you like to travel abroad, then you must be learn English. When you travel abroad, you have to communicate in a hotel or anywhere in English. So, when it comes to traveling or visiting different countries, if the people don't speak your language, then English comes to the rescue. So, a little knowledge or maybe the basic knowledge of English is also very, very helpful when you visit different countries or to try to get your way out in their countries. Number 8, English is one of the most important languages for business. Whether you are a business owner, a student, or employee, English is incredibly important in the business world. English is considered to be one of the most important business languages. Number 9, reason number 9. With English, you can study all over the world. Since English is spoken in so many different countries, there are thousands of schools and universities around the world that offer programs in English. Number 10, English gives you access to multiple cultures. We would like to know about cultures of many countries, many people. Good knowledge of English will allow you to access films, music, and literature from hundreds of countries around the globe. Number 11, English is open. English is open a world of new opportunities. Sorry. If you have a good knowledge of English, you can speak effectively. Your communication skill will be great. Now, if you are seeking for employment, then English language is very helpful to you. Number 12, English will make you a hot property. Everyone wants property, wants money, wants pound, dollar. English will help you to make this property. How can? If you speak English well, if your communication skills are great, then employers can seek for you. They would love to hire you. Many organizations, many companies, many countries and others would like to contact with you for motivational speech and many other reasons, and they will pay you a handsome honorarium, handsome money, handsome dollar. So English will make you a hot property. Now last reason, English is a simple language to learn. Most of us think that English is a very hard language, but it's not true. English is a simple language. English has simple alphabets, unlike any other language, as for example Chinese, Korean, wherein the letters or alphabets are so complicated. Too many symbols, too many pictures, and that just makes you very confused. Whereas when you are learning English, the alphabets are really very simple, and you don't have to put on too much of accent of understand to understand a certain language, certain pronunciation. It's very easy to learn these alphabets, that means English alphabets. It's very easy to write these alphabets, these letters, and of course to pronounce them. It's very easy. So go ahead and pick up English as your language to learn. This brings me to the end of the lesson. And according to me, English is undoubtedly the best language to learn. So, if you haven't made your decision yet, then go ahead and please start learning English, because it's going to be extremely helpful for you. And you will love it too. I'll be come back with a new lesson again very soon. Till then, you take care. Bye bye. Thanks for your watching.